Hey guys, good evening. It's cold here in West Virginia. We had minus 21 degrees last night. My water pipes are all frozen. We're knee deep in snow. So please excuse the dirty hands and fingernails. I've been trying to wash, but I gotta go out and melt snow to get water. Life in the glorious Appalachians. Anyhow, today we're going to work on this master lock. It's a master lock 575. I don't believe you could read that, but there's the keyway. Let me lock it up here. There's the keyway. This, I heard different stories on it. Some say it has security pins, some say it doesn't. I think it has security pins, and I think it has 2 of them. I picked this thing before, and the core was like 2/3 of the way turned, with false sets popping all over the place. Anyhow, we're going to use a Peterson pry bar. Love the pry bar, Ken. It's great. Peterson pry bar. And we're going to use a homebrew pick. And we're also going to use a Peterson short hook here, Black Series. You can tell I like Peterson stuff, huh? Peterson is cool. Really is. Okay, so what happens in this video is a little weird. So watch it. Tell me what you think. I'm pretty sure there's security pins in here, and that's what caused the mystery here. But you guys give me your opinions, please. I'd really like to hear from you on this one. Thank you. I'll set this in the vise and we'll get started. Focus, focus. Come on, focus. Now you see that massive falset just happened there. I'm trying to get a smaller pick to get back in there. Feedback's there. Oh, I thought I had that. Oh. He's not here? Somebody has to be overset. Can't find anybody. Damn, the core is halfway turned. It's gotta be this guy. It's not. There it is. It opened. Did you see that? Wasn't that weird? Wow. There it is. Open. Master lock. 575. Explain that one to me, somebody. Anyhow, guys, have fun, keep it safe, and keep it legal.